outfit. It was playing in a Sylvester Stallone movie called Fist. He's in great shape, ladies and gentlemen. There's paperwork. The truck starts, it runs, it drives. It's a nice little truck right there, ladies and gentlemen. So if you want a piece of history right here, that was played in movies. All right, you got the V8. That's good right there. Pull on out. All right, pull on out. We're at $9,091. How many 9,100? How many 9,100? How many 9,100? Pull on out. That 91. And 91. Where's my driver? Pull on out. How many 9,100? Now 2. How many 9,100? How many 91? And 91. Get my driver take it down.
First one he did.
Pull it on out, pull it on out. We're at 91, now 92. How many 9,200? That's 93, now 93. You're at 93, you're at 93, now 93. How about 93, 93. How many 9,300? That's 93, 93, now 9,300, 93, now 93. At 9,300, how many 9,300? David, get me ready. At 9,300. I'm going to keep on selling until this is out for play. Now 9,300. At 9,300. How many 9,300? It is in